4. Our natural wealth. In this chapter, we will learn about renewable resources, non-renewable resources, use of natural resources, conserving natural resources, and do MCQs, fill in the blanks, WH questions, do activity, hone life skills. Soil, air, water, forests, and minerals are nature's gifts to mankind. They are called natural resources and are of all living things. Natural resources can make a country rich if they are used carefully. India is rich in natural resources like soils, forests, wildlife, and minerals. Early men did not know how to use the different resources. Slowly, they learned to convert them into useful and valuable resources. Classification of resources. Natural resources are of two kinds: renewable resources, non-renewable resources. Natural resources which can be given back to nature after they are used are called renewable resources. Some examples of renewable resources are air, water, plants, animals, and soil. Natural resources which cannot be given back to nature in their original form are called non-renewable resources. Some examples are fossil fuels, metals, and minerals. Fossil fuels are made from preserved remains of living things that died millions of years ago. Petroleum and coal are examples of fossil fuels. Use of natural resources. The development and growth of industries depends on the sources of energy or fuel available in nature. We need a very large quantity of fuel to power all the machines, vehicles, and gadgets in the world. The solar energy is converted into various chemical substances which are stored in different parts of the plants. These parts are used as food. Nowadays, the sun's energy is converted into electric energy with the help of photoelectric cells and stored in batteries. These batteries operate electric motors and appliances. Besides this, we can use sunlight to cook the food in a solar oven or solar cooker. The wind energy provided by moving air is used to generate electricity, to draw underground water, and operate small flour mills, etc. The river water is used for irrigating the agricultural land and generating electricity. The river water is taken to fields through canals and streams. For generating electricity in hydroelectric plants, the running water is dropped on the blades of the water mills called turbines. This water rotates the water mills move very fast. These fast rotating water mills are connected to generators which produce electricity. Minerals have to be separated from their ores before we can use them. Similarly, petroleum taken out from the earth is in a crude form. It is refined into petrol, diesel, kerosene, gas, grease, etc. These different products are used in homes and industries. Conservation of natural resources. Renewable resources should be used only at a rate at which we can give them back to the earth. For example, groundwater is a renewable source, but if we draw more groundwater than what the rain gives back to the earth, then all groundwater will be used up. The cutting of trees and the killing of animals have endangered many plants and animals. Many species are either already extinct or are threatened with extinction. Mineral deposits in the earth are limited. They should not be wasted while mining. We should use coal and petroleum very carefully. Wherever possible, we should use other resources of energy like the sun and the wind. We must preserve and conserve natural resources. The future of the earth and its people depends upon our ability to maintain and preserve the natural resources. We must use them carefully and responsibly. New words: ore, rock or earth from which metals are extracted. Renewable, things that we can recycle. Photoelectric, the cells which convert solar energy into electric energy. Extinct, no longer in existence. Recap: soil, air, water, forests, and minerals are nature's gifts to mankind. Natural resources are of two kinds: renewable resources, non-renewable resources. The development and growth of industries depend on the sources of energy or fuel available in nature. Minerals and fossil fuels, once taken out, cannot be replaced. We must preserve our natural resources and learn to use them sparingly.